Welcome to Physics Made Easy, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about elasticity. As you can see, I'm holding an elastic spring. When we say elasticity, it's the ability for a material to stress or compress when an external force or load is applied, and for such material to return back to its original shape and size when such external force or load is removed. As you can see, as I applied force to this spring, you can see that the spring is being stressed. Immediately I remove the external force, it goes back to its original shape. So it shows really that this spring is an elastic material. So any material that has the ability to stress or compress whenever an external force is applied, and for such material to return back to its original shape and size, is being seen as an elastic material. Now let us go to Hooke's law. According to Hooke's law, it states that as long as the elastic limit is not exceeded, the extension E is directly proportional to the external force being applied. So it shows me that the force is also directly proportional to the extension. If the extension is directly proportional to the force, as long as the elastic limit is not exceeded, then it shows me that the force is directly proportional to the extension. And for the force to be equal to extension, there must be a proportionality constant, and that proportionality constant becomes our K, known as Ke. And this K is called the force constant. The force constant. Let us try and make this K subject. If F is equal to Ke, our K will be equal to F all over E, of which your K is the force constant, your F is the external force applied, and E is known as the extension. So in terms of unit, your force constant is in Newton per meter, because your force is in Newton and your extension is in meter. Now, for every elastic material that is being stressed, an extension is always created. For instance, as this material has not been stressed, it's been seen as the original length of this elastic spring. But as long as an external force is applied, extension has been created and final length has been established. For instance, if the original length of this elastic spring was 5 centimeters, and this elastic spring was stressed by adding an external force, and it becomes 7 centimeters, it shows that the original length L1 is 5 centimeters, and the final length known as L2 is 7 centimeters. It shows that an extension has been added. To get your extension now, you say extension equals to the original length minus extension equals to the final length minus the original length. So your extension becomes 7 minus 5. So your extension is 2 centimeters. In our next video on elasticity, we will talk about the proportional point. We'll talk about the elastic limit. We'll talk about the heat point. We'll talk about the breaking point, and we'll solve all the calculations all related to elasticity. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please subscribe to this channel, love this channel, like this channel.